Cabbage. Wow.
It's time, no?
When do you get the vegetable? How much time does it take?
4 or 5 months.
What are you going to plant? The seeds?
Cabbage? No, not seed. That all tea.
This is to eat or to put?
Yeah. Eat.
Oh, this is to eat.
Right.
I thought this is to put. That's why I came. Nice. What fruit is this?
Valencia.
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 You get it in the market?
No, yes.
Sora market.
No, fruit.
This fruit, Valencia. Very nice, uncle. Thank you, uncle. The auntie is bringing the stuff that I have to put it inside the field. I'm very excited.
Okay.
This is what I have to put. You put one and show me how to do it,
Okay.
and I'll follow the same. Okay, you don't touch the root.
Yes.
So how many in one line? Three.
Depend on the space.
They help to fertilize the soil. So actually dig a hole. Put one of these in here and cover it. That's it. You're going to eat so many cabbages because of me. When you eat this, think of me. Give me a call. At least show me how my cabbage looks before you eat it. Even cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Oh, what I was planting was cauliflower.
Yes, cauliflower.
And
Yes,
this is cabbage.
Yes.
Oh. So I'm growing a flower. See, look at the number of flowers that I planted. Grow big, my boys. So this is Uncle's hobby. He does it every year. And this is the right time to do it because August, here it's not that rainy, right? So Uncle gets in enough sunshine and enough rain. So it's all balanced. So Uncle, you're planting in August. You get the vegetable in November, December?
Yes.
Okay. How do you know the vegetable is ready? It comes out or it comes up? Oh. He actually plowed the entire field at this age. How old are you, Uncle? If you don't mind, how old are you?
68.
68. And you still plow the field. Wow.
Well, I thank God for giving good health.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stealing at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's.
I'm running speed test with Airtel dongle connected to my laptop. Now I'm gonna connect it to iPhone, which is running on Airtel network, the same dongle. Okay.
Yeah, that's a big plan.
Totally gone.
Gone.
So brake pad, how large does it long?
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
Any kilometers?
1000 or 1500.
Yes, so the time is 5 and Ojoy had already come here half an hour back and he's, as I showed you, like he was working on it and he has fixed everything. So रेड ब्रेक से जो आवाज़ आ रहा था वो भी गया and chain भी fix कर दिया है and he also fixed the speedometer and kilometer reader thing. So everything is fixed. From tomorrow onwards it's going to be great ride. All thanks to Mr. Ojoy. So if you're ever in Meghalaya, just follow this. He is the guy to go for. Even Royal Enfield bikes, he is an expert on that. So he's fixed my Himalayan. I hope you would be fixing any bike that you got.
And if you need the number, so you can contact in this number. Okay, you can.
The number is already here.
Yeah, the number is already here, but I hope that they cannot see my number here.
No, I'll show you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, don't
Okay,
worry
thank you.
about it.
Thank you very much for that.
Yeah. And anyways, I'll put it in the description as well, all of the video. So just check it out. And if you're in Meghalaya, please contact Ojoy if you have bike issues. Cheers, man. Thank you. Bye.
Tomorrow.
A very good morning, guys. Welcome back. And time is 8 o'clock. वैसे 5:30 को उड़ गया था मैं. आजकल पता नहीं यहाँ पे 5:30 को मेरे को जाग आ जाता है. And as I said, 5:30 को उतना ही वो चला होता है जितना अभी है. Like इससे थोड़ा कम होगा, but then it's as good as bright as a day. And अभी मैं फ़िलहाल निकल रहा हूँ कुछ आसपास के इलाकों को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. मैं आप लोगों को रास्ते बताता हूँ. सो दैट लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. एंड रूम का हालत कुछ ऐसा है भाई, जो है सो है. दैट बीइंग सेड, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. और अभी मिनिमल बैगेज लेके आने का जो मज़ा है ना, आई फील गुड. टॉल भी लेके आते हैं जस्ट इन केस.
Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home.
लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. और अभी मिनिमल बैगेज लेके आने का जो मज़ा है ना, आई फील गुड.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all